Hi, my name is Pu Bai, a Brisbane-based artist. We are in the backyard of the studio at the moment. My studio is in Wynnum, a bit away from the city, which suits me fine because I actually prefer studio isolation. Isolation allows me to contemplate, to think about things that can be described as abstract or metaphysical. I don't listen to music in my studio, only the natural sound and silence. So yes, actually isolation makes me more imaginative. I won't talk very much. I just want to take you through my studio settings. Okay, let's go. The two paintings on the floor at the moment, I'm cleaning them up. A young Brisbane artist has asked me recently to include these two paintings in her upcoming large installation work. And this is the artist chair and the painting rack, a new painting I did 2 weeks ago. More paintings on the walls. Paintings wrapped up or unwrapping. This is a black enamel painting I made 5 years ago. I really enjoy the black reflective surface. Now we are proceeding to the front part of the studio. A small library and my watercolor table. Here's a Chinese ink painting I made. Very big ink brush from China. Outside the studio, there's a small bamboo forest, which I enjoy looking at very much. So today, I want to finish this video by looking at the bamboo again.